The Squishy Air Attack Marathon. Here she is. Wow. It's so squishy, you guys. More like a squishy air attack. Look at that. Finally, we got the new Jack's Burger. And look, it's so squishy. More like a squishy air attack. And look, she's still drunk right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, my little squishy air attack. It's a hedgehog, Sonic. It's a hedgehog, Mario. Oh, sorry, Sonic, I didn't mean. He's squishy. He's like a. Oh. I'm gonna say. Squishy air attack! Yeah, Chucky, as a cube, he's so squishy, he's like a squishy air attack. And look, he can land to his egg. Look, he's got some arms now. It's so squishy. More like, I'm gonna say it again. Wait, squishy. Wait, no. Squishy air attack! Look at this. It's so squishy. And look, it also came with a tag. So as you can see, look, it's so squishy. More like something. Why can't I remember it? Come on, think about it. Come on. Why can't I remember it? What I said last time. Come on, I forgot. Why can't I remember it? I said, oh yeah, squishy. Wait a minute, no. Squishy air attack! Okay. It's such a good Pomni squishy. It looks really cool. So yeah. Also, I found a Pomni backpack plush, and I saw the brand new Amazing Digital Circus squishy air attacks. I found Pomni and Dummy Goo as squishies, the squishy air attacks, and then also because ever since when I went to the Funko Pop store, I found the tongue, and like he's got his floppy ears. And also the cube, like, it's so squishy. More like, what was it again? Oh, yeah. It's Squishy Air Attack. So squishy, more like a squishy air attack. And then also, like, and look.